How to make custom resin figurines. We are an OEM resin statue manufacturing factory that focuses on producing high-end exquisite products. We will walk you through the steps from 3D printing to packaging, 1.3D printing and prototype. After receive your 3D sculpture digital, we will check all details and dimension, then do the cutting and printing. After printing complete, trim off any excess material and sand the statue gently to smooth the surface and edges. 2. Mold making, casting, polishing. Once the prototype is ready, prepare and polish the mold. Apply a mold release agent to the mold to prevent the resin from sticking. Next, prepare the polyurethane resin according to the product specifications. Combine the resin and hardener in the correct ratio and stir thoroughly. Make sure it is free of bubbles before pouring into the mold. Let the resin harden and cure as directed by the resin product instructions. Once cured, remove the resin statue from the mold. Trim off any excess material and sand the statue gently to smooth the surface and edges. Apply a sealant such as polyurethane to the statue, which protects the material and provides an attractive glossy finish. 3. Painting. Painting is one of the most important aspects of customizing a polyresin figure. There are several techniques we often use to achieve different effects, such as dry brushing, washes, and layering. Dry brushing involves using a small amount of paint on a brush and lightly dragging it across the surface of the figure to create texture and highlights. Washes involve diluting paint with water and applying it in thin layers to create a translucent effect. Layering involves building up multiple thin layers of paint to create depth and dimension. 4. Assembling. When assemble, we often pay more attention to gap and standing issue, which must be avoided. 5. Packaging. We offer two primary packaging options. The first option includes a color box with molded polyfoam and an outer carton. The second option consists of a color box with pearl foam and an outer carton. The distinction between them lies in their suitability based on quantity and associated mold costs. Molded polyfoam is better suited for larger quantities, as it incurs higher upfront expenses. For smaller quantities, pearl foam could be used, as it does not require separate mold costs. In the case of larger products, such as 1/1 scale items even with semi-hollow structures, it is recommended to include an additional wooden crate outside the outer carton. Thanks for your watching. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about us, please do not hesitate to contact us. We look forward to working with you.